10 Everyday Carry Gadgets You Must See. Everyday carry (EDC) gadgets are tools that you can rely on to make daily tasks easier, solve small problems on the fly, or even get out of a tricky situation. These tools are compact, efficient, and often designed to help you stay prepared for the unexpected. Whether you're a seasoned EDC enthusiast or just beginning to explore the world of functional gear, the right tools can make a huge difference in your daily life. From cutting through packaging to lighting up a dark area, these gadgets serve practical purposes that make life more convenient. Leatherman Skeletool. The Leatherman Skeletool is a marvel of compact functionality. As a multi-tool that combines the power of several individual tools into one easy-to-carry device. With its sleek design and lightweight construction, the Skeletool manages to pack a surprising punch with features like a sharp Mac blade, pliers, a bit driver, and a bottle opener, all housed within a sturdy, ergonomic frame. What stands out about this tool is its versatility and practicality. Whether you're fixing a loose screw, opening a bottle after a long day, or slicing through a package, this tool is your one-stop solution for a variety of tasks, all neatly packed in a form that won't weigh you down. Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Pioneer. The Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Pioneer is the epitome of timeless design and practicality. Known for its reputation for exceptional quality, this knife blends multiple essential tools into a compact package. At the core of the Pioneer is a razor-sharp blade that can tackle anything from everyday cutting tasks to outdoor survival challenges. But what makes the Swiss Army knife so iconic is the way it packs in several other tools like a can opener, a screwdriver, scissors, and an all without compromising the compact size. Whether you're on a hiking trip, traveling, or dealing with small repairs around the house, the Pioneer is the Swiss Army knife you want in your pocket. Nite Ize G Series Slide Lock No. 3 Carabiner. If you're looking for a reliable way to carry your keys, gear, or any small everyday items, the Nite Ize G Series Slide Lock No. 3 Carabiner offers a practical solution. Known for its sturdy build and secure locking mechanism, this carabiner is designed to keep your belongings safely attached to your bag, belt loop, or any other convenient location. The slide lock feature is key to its functionality. It allows you to easily slide the locking mechanism to secure your items, and once locked, you don't have to worry about anything slipping off unexpectedly. Whether you're securing a keychain, a water bottle, or your gear, this carabiner keeps everything safely in place while remaining incredibly easy to use. KeySmart Nano Clip. The KeySmart Nano Clip is a simple yet incredibly useful tool that allows you to keep your keys and other small items securely fastened to your bag or belt loop. This clip is a minimalist dream, designed to hold your essentials without adding extra bulk. You can attach it to a variety of things, whether it's your backpack, carrying, or even a pocket, and it stays firmly in place. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for everyday carry, ensuring you don't add unnecessary weight to your gear, while its strong build guarantees your keys stay where they belong. This little clip is a convenient way to organize your keys and ensure they are always easily accessible. Gerber Paraframe Mini Knife. The Gerber Paraframe Mini Knife is a great example of compact design that doesn't skimp on performance. This small folding knife is lightweight, making it easy to carry as part of your everyday gear. Don't let its size fool you. The Paraframe Mini is built with a high-quality stainless steel blade that's razor-sharp and perfect for cutting tasks, whether you're opening packages, cutting string, or handling small survival needs. The minimalistic frame is made of stainless steel and features an open design that reduces weight without compromising on strength. Whether you're a seasoned EDC enthusiast or just looking for a simple, reliable knife to carry around, the Gerber Paraframe Mini is a fantastic option. Hodo SK5 Box Cutter. For anyone who frequently handles packages, the Hodo SK5 Box Cutter is a must-have in your EDC gear. Designed for precision and durability, this box cutter is a fantastic tool for cutting through cardboard, tape, and other materials. The blade is made from SK5 steel, which is known for its sharpness and ability to retain an edge over time. This means that you won't have to worry about the blade going dull after a few uses. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use, and its retractable blade feature makes it safe to store in your pocket or bag when not in use. This cutter is the perfect tool for anyone who needs to open boxes regularly but doesn't want to carry a bulky utility knife. What sets the Hodo SK5 box cutter apart from others is its sleek, modern design. UltiClip Slim 3.3. The UltiClip Slim 3.3 is an innovative tool that lets you securely attach your gear to your clothing bag or any other location. This slim, low-profile clip is perfect for people who want to carry concealed items or simply keep their gear close at hand, without worrying about it falling off or getting misplaced. The Ulti-Clip is made from durable materials that ensure it can support heavy loads while remaining compact. It attaches easily to your belt, waistband, or bag, and its strong, tight grip ensures that anything you clip onto it stays firmly in place. Whether you're carrying a flashlight, a multi-tool, or even a small pouch, the Ulti-Clip Slim 3.3 makes sure that your items are always within reach and securely fastened. Glow Rhino the Spark Glow Fob. The Glow Rhino the Spark Glow Fob is a small yet mighty tool that helps you easily locate your keys, bag, or other small items in the dark. This glow-in-the-dark fob attaches to your keys or gear and glows in low light, allowing you to spot them quickly when needed. Its vibrant glow makes it easier to find your belongings in your bag, car, or home, especially in dimly lit environments. With a simple press, the fob can light up, providing instant illumination without requiring batteries or external power. It's an excellent tool for anyone who finds themselves in situations where they need to quickly locate their belongings in the dark. Write in the Rain All-Weather Tactical Pocket Notebook. When it comes to jotting down notes, sketches, or ideas, the Write in the Rain All-Weather Tactical Pocket Notebook is the perfect companion for those who need reliability in all conditions. Whether you're hiking in the rain, stuck in a snowstorm, or simply caught in a downpour, this notebook is designed to withstand the elements. The pages are made from waterproof and tear-resistant paper, ensuring that your notes stay legible no matter the weather. The durable cover protects the contents from water, dirt, and wear, making it an ideal tool for anyone who needs to write in challenging conditions, whether you're outdoors, in the field, or on the go. This notebook's rugged construction makes it a top choice for professionals in fields like military, law enforcement, or outdoor exploration. Wubin X1 Flashlight. The Wubin X1 flashlight is a powerful and compact tool that ensures you're never left in the dark. This high-performance flashlight features an ultra-bright LED bulb capable of emitting an impressive amount of light, making it perfect for everything from everyday use to emergencies. Whether you're trying to find something under the couch, need extra illumination while hiking at night, or are preparing for a power outage, the Wubin X1 offers reliable and consistent brightness. Its compact size means it can fit easily into your pocket or bag without adding unnecessary bulk, and its durable construction ensures it can withstand drops in harsh conditions. One of the standout features of the Wubin X1 is its rechargeable battery. With a long battery life and the convenience of USB charging, you can rely on the X1 for consistent performance without constantly worrying about replacing batteries. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.